Good morning. This is Dr. Garret Weber. I'm a resident physician at Gunderson Health System in La Crosse, as well as an alumnus and an adjunct professor at the University of South Dakota Sanford School of Medicine. The title of our poster is Description and Evaluation of a Multi-Level Intervention for Improving HPV Vaccination Rates in a Rural South Dakota Clinic. My co-authors include medical students from the Sanford School of Medicine, Carl Lang and Riley Schapp, as well as Tyler Hillasang, who was a statistician working with Sanford Research. The purpose of our project was to increase HPV vaccination rates at the Winter Regional Health Clinic in Winter, South Dakota. In order to do so, we provided the clinic with posters and informational handouts on HPV vaccination. We discussed HPV epidemiology and immunization recommendations with nurses and providers, and we presented a PowerPoint lecture discussing HPV epidemiology and immunization recommendations to parents at the middle school orientation. Different surveys were provided to measure intervention effectiveness, and EMR data was used to evaluate changes in vaccination rates. Notably, survey results indicated a majority of nurses and providers are familiar with and use opt-out language to discuss vaccination. And following the PowerPoint presentation, parents of middle school age children showed both subjective improvements in knowledge measured by self-reported understanding, as well as objective improvements in knowledge measured by multiple choice questions following the presentation. Remarkably, HPV immunization rates increased in 2020 when compared to 2019 at the Winter Regional Health Clinic. This contrasts the trends seen in the Sanford footprint as a whole, as well as the national immunization rate. We are excited for you to read our poster, and we thank DaCCoTA program and the University of North Dakota School of Medicine and Health Sciences for hosting the event.